WDSU legal analyst Robert Jenkins tells me that the law protects your personal choice and your privacy when it comes to making medical decisions, and that includes whether or not to take the COVID-19 vaccine. As COVID-19 vaccines are on the brink of distribution, there are questions about who would be required to get it. I asked WDSU legal analyst Robert Jenkins.
All the privacy laws still apply, all the HIPAA laws apply. So to answer your question, there's nothing that mandates you have to get the vaccine at this time.
Jenkins says neither the state or federal government is requiring you to get the COVID-19 vaccine yet. But what about your job?
There's some question out there about whether or not an employer can mandate it, and the answer is not by law, no. And they don't even have the right to ask you if you have taken the vaccine.
Still, Jenkins says employers have rights too. As a right-to-work state, Louisiana companies can hire or fire workers without giving a reason. Drago's restaurant owner Tommy Satanovich says his staff is already doing a lot to help slow the spread of coronavirus, but he's not planning to require they get the vaccine.
When my turn comes in line, I intend to take it. I intend to have my family take it or recommend that they take it. As far as a mandate in this restaurant right now, no. If the CDC comes down later on down the line and says we highly recommend it, the National Restaurant Association, the Louisiana Restaurant Association, if they come back and say we highly recommend it, well then you know what, my opinion will probably change.
And change could come on the legal side too, as breakthroughs to stop the spread of coronavirus challenge personal choice and public health.
Those are problems that may come at a later date, but as right now, there's nothing that mandates to say you shall have to, by law, take this vaccine.
This is a decision that most people will not have to make for quite a while. Nursing home residents are among the first expected to receive the doses here in Louisiana. I reached out to both private and public nursing homes in our area tonight. All of them said they don't have a date yet on when they expect to get the vaccine. Travers?
And Jen, quick question. Speaking of the vaccine, we hear that there's one local pharmacy that got some good news tonight.
Absolutely. Majoria Drugs in Metairie has just learned tonight that they are going to be approved to administer the vaccine whenever it becomes available to the public. However, the pharmacist there tells me he doesn't expect to receive the first doses there until March 21st. Reporting live, I'm Jennifer Crockett. Back to you.